we set goals together. A unified goal approach where your key performance indicators are unified with your goals provides an apparatus like you've never seen before, one where you get to actually have fun and you achieve things together. The final is the tools and the resources that shell it all up. Now, when you put this in a big basket, it only works if you have the right backbone. And today, there's only a few backbones you can build on that are going to win this AI war, that are going to win towards the top of the things that we're looking at. HubSpot's, Salesforce's, Microsoft Dynamics, of course, these are all very powerful tools. Oracle, NetSuite, there's only a few that are going to go to that next level. Lots of you have heard the news that HubSpot may be being purchased by Google. That's a big deal in the world of it, where Microsoft already owns LinkedIn and Salesforce has bought so much. These companies are way ahead of everybody else because they have the manpower, the investment, and the ability. And now the dynamics moving of AI with them, and they purchase everything they see. These are where the houses of things will happen. And those right tools and resources and the people to help power them. So you have trusted consultants like us involved in this, and you have mentors, and you have the right guidance and thought leaders you're following, are the only way to put these systems together nowadays. Because as I said at the start, I spent millions over the first couple years here putting together what are the right tech stacks, what are the right ways of generating, how do we do this, in what order does it go. And now that it's become so symbiotic, it's great to be able to bring that to a company and allow them to flourish in short order. But it takes all of your time. We have people devoted full time to evaluating these things internally at all times, just looking at the innovation and bringing it forward. And as I said, 10% of every one of our staff members' times goes towards that every week, because that's the call in our company.
Thanks for watching, and keep removing those revenue roadblocks. If you want more videos like this, follow our channel for fresh, new content every day. Check out our RevOps playlist, or how about this video chosen just for you? See you next time.